Hello, in this video we're going to be showing you how to deal with the Ricoh Roundabout in Coventry from all exits that you can possibly get on your test. So in this first clip we're going to be approaching from Holbrooks, turning left towards the M6. As we come to this first set of traffic lights we should be indicating right. Once the lights change to green, we're going to be choosing the leftmost lane, as you can see from the road markings, and we should be indicating left here. Again, we need to change and wait for the lights to go green. So we're going to be keeping in our lane, following the curve to our left, and cancelling our indicator once we have entered the new road. As you can see from the sign, this is a 50 miles per hour road, so we need to get up to that, and it is also a clear way, so there is no stopping on this road. On this particular clip, we are entering the roundabout from the same entrance, however, this time we are approaching from Prologis. So as we come to the first set of traffic lights, we want to be in the right-hand lane, and this will enable us to easily select the correct lane to turn right. The lane we are going to choose will be the centre lane. This is as a learner, we should always be in the most left lane that is possible. So we proceed in our lane, following our lane markings. We make sure that we're indicating right, follow the lane with the right lane marking, and now we follow the line to our left and spiral out. In this situation, we could spiral all the way out if we were going to Tesco Arena, but we are not, so we stopped one lane in. That will allow us to be in the middle lane when we exit, and this saves for lane changing later on, which can make it a little bit more complicated. In this clip, we are approaching from Tesco Arena towards the Ricoh Arena roundabout, and we are going to be turning left towards Holbrooks or Prologis. We would choose the same lane and it would be the same exit in this situation. So we should be indicating left here. And as you'll see, we're given a choice. We can either stay in this lane and continue forward to Prologis, but we're going to be turning left towards Holbrooks in this situation. Approaching from the same way, this time going straight on towards the M6 roundabout, second exit. We do not need to indicate on approach to the roundabout. Again, we need to wait for the lights to turn green. So being careful to make sure we stay within our lane markings, we're going to go straight on. And then we begin to spiral out towards a curb, and we would indicate left now. And then we would keep within our lane, sticking towards a curb, and we'll follow our exit. Again, this is a 50 road and a clear way, so make sure we're paying attention to those road signs. In this next clip, we're going to be approaching the Ricoh roundabout from the direction of the M6 motorway. In this particular instance, we're going to be going straight on towards Tesco. Again, we can choose the leftmost lane if we wanted to be going towards Ricoh Arena car park. However, we are not looking to do that, so we go one lane in. We'll follow the lane markings all the way around, indicating left as we pass the exit before the one we're going to be leaving. And as you can see, we came to a set of red lights here, so we would stop. Approaching from the same direction, this time turning right towards Holbrook or Prologis Park. As we approach the roundabout, we want to be in the right-hand lane, signalling right. And as you can see, we've came to a set of traffic lights here, so we'd pay attention to that. On this instance, it's on red, so we stop. So we want to pay very close attention here, making sure that we follow the lane that's on our left. and we want to follow it all the way around. And as you can see, the line goes all the way down. So what we want to do here is spiral all the way out into this particular lane, and this is where we would begin indicating left. So the lights go green and we begin to go. Now again, we can either carry on straight in this lane and go to Prologis, or we could take the left lane if we wanted to go towards Holbrooks. In this instance, we choose Prologis.